Good day everyone, I am Richard Emilia and I'm going to discuss now the country of Switzerland and its policing system. So first I'm going to tackle the police forces and its function. So we have four police forces. The first one is the cantonal police force. They handle the most of criminal investigations and they maintain public order and also they maintain the traffic. The second one is the municipal or communal police. They are the local security of their respective cantons. The third one is the federal police. They are focused on federal crimes like money laundering and organized crimes. The fourth one is the border guard. They are the responsible for security at borders and airports. So under what department and or authority? Cantonal Police is under the Cantonal Department of Justice and Police. The municipal or communal police is under the supervision of their respective city or town council. The federal police is under the Federal Department of Justice and Police. And the border guard is under the Federal Office for Customs and Border Security. The similarities and differences of the policing system of Philippines and Switzerland. Differences is the Philippines is highly centralized or national base, while the Switzerland is highly decentralized based on cantonal system. Do I like the policing system of Switzerland? Yes, because Swiss policing system is highly considered as effective and professionals and also trustworthy of by its residents.